Hey everyone, Neeraj here, back with another video on the latest OxygenOS update for the OnePlus 7T. Well, OnePlus has had a rough patch with the software update of the OnePlus 7 series, and this update is no different. Let's find out what this update is all about and should you update right away. Spoiler alert, the answer is don't even think about it. Let's start off with the update experience. Right off the bat, I want to talk about the initial user experience after updating to the latest OxygenOS 11 update. After I installed the update, my phone was overheating like crazy and I had to shut it down for over an hour. And when I switched it on, the overheating did not stop. I ended up clearing the cache from the recovery mode, removing a lot of data, and after half a dozen restarts, it finally cooled down. I've used a lot of Android smartphones and I'm pretty sure this is not what a software update is supposed to do to your phone. Let's talk about battery life. It's just bad. I know my phone is old, but despite that, I was easily getting around 4 hours of screen on time after the last two updates. But this update has absolutely made the OnePlus 7T battery life horrible. The screen on time was less than 3 hours consistently after updating. The worst part is that most of the battery was consumed by idle apps or overheating. I had similar findings after updating all the apps. The other day I tried watching a 30-minute offline video and the battery dropped from 70 to 30%. That is just disappointing. Let's talk about the performance. It has been similar to the previous updates, but overheating is bad. The phone would randomly start overheating even when you're just taking a call or texting on WhatsApp. Let's move on to gaming. Initially, the gaming experience was bad. The phone was overheating constantly even with light 3D games. After a week, the gaming's performance is back to normal except for battery consumption. That is just straight up horrible. Please note that there were no frame drops or lag during any gameplay even at maximum settings. Here's a quick look at the temperature and battery consumption differences at the starting and end of a battle royale game in Call of Duty Mobile. Let's talk about something that OnePlus just never fixes. Software bugs. Overheating and display lag are back now, and it's been a really frustrating experience dealing with them. It's like OnePlus basically did a 360 for the last two updates. Seriously, the display lag has become more random and difficult to fix. I hope OnePlus really fixes this as soon as possible. Other known bugs include warp charge not working, call drop as mentioned in the previous update video, random app crashes, Bluetooth not working properly, etc. Moving on to conclusion. So, should you update? Absolutely not. I've tested 3 updates in the last few months on my 7T and this has been a roller coaster ride. New OnePlus updates fix some old bugs but bring in a swarm of new bugs. I've formatted and restored my device 2 times to test these updates. This is not supposed to happen when you update your phone. I've been an Android user for almost a decade now and this has never happened with any smartphone that I've used, including the ones that cost $100. In short, skip this update. OnePlus software update cycle and experience keep getting bad with each new update. If you're so desperate or did not face any issues in the previous updates, you can take the risk. But in my opinion, it's not worth going through all the trouble. If you've already updated, do let us know what bugs you face in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. This has been Neeraj from TechieTechTech and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.